Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you really want to immerse yourself in your favorite story, then you should get one of these candles from Noble Objects. I have this Alice's Adventure in Wonderland candle, and it is tea party scented, and it is one of the most amazing smelling candles I have ever had. This candle is not only beautiful with this sleek artwork right on the front from the book, but it smells incredible. This tea party scent is caramelized sugar, bergamot, custard, rum, lavender, cucumber, vanilla, maple, and violet. It really feels like you are at your very own Mad Hatter's tea party when you light this candle. Alice in Wonderland is one of my favorite stories of all time, and this is just the perfect addition to my bookish collection. I could not love this candle more. It is the perfect thing to add to your library or to gift to a friend who you know loves books. So if you want to feel like you are off on an adventure in Wonderland, then you need to get this candle from Noble Objects. You are going to absolutely love it. And that is my point of view.